everyone, welcome to Gurudev Banking Academy. I am Deepika. In today's session, we'll solve the questions which are frequently asked from topic ages, and this is the continuation of part 1, which is part 2. I hope to better understand, you have gone through my previous video which is on ages part 1. Okay, if not, please, but to better understand, please watch my previous video and just come back here. So in last class, already we have discussed concepts. Along with that, I have given you some homework questions. I hope you are ready with that questions. So if you are not getting that answers, please, whatever the question today we will be teaching, right, you just try to analyze and do it. Is it clear? So let's begin with this topic, ages. So these questions already we have discussed in the last class, guys. Along with this, I have given some questions for practice, right? So let's begin with these homework questions. Let's start now. Yes. So this is the one question I have given you as a homework. Okay. So what are the concepts are there? I hope you have got the answers. If not, you just analyze it here. Okay. So wherever the mistakes, what mistakes you are doing, just analyze it so that if you solve few more questions also, it will be not a problem for you. Okay. So let's start now. So in case of this, what is the condition they have given? 5 years hence, the average age of A, B and C is given as how much? It is 20 years. Try to understand, guys, since it is a question based on the average age they are saying. They are not saying directly the present age or 5 years hence or 5 years ago age. The condition they have given, average age of A, B and C. In the sense, whatever that A, B, C persons are there, right? That person's average age is given. So, average age, I hope you know what is the average. Average is equals to sum upon number of observations. Am I right? Yes. Now, sum in the sense, totally how many persons are there? 3 persons are there. If 3 persons are in the sense, sum upon n, and the answer, that average, that how much they have given? 20. Isn't it? Yes. With the help of this, if I simplify, A plus B plus C age, whatever the 20 into 3 is there, that 60 years we are getting. And whatever the sum is there, this sum of these 3 persons age is 60 years in the sense, whatever the age is given, this age is 5 years hence age. Try to understand here, whatever the sum is given, this is of 5 years hence age. Okay, next. Further, if I see, 3 years ago, the average age of B, C and D is given as how much? 33 years. Along with this, another condition is given 3 years ago. Whatever the condition is given, it's for the 3 years, guys. So 3 years ago, the sum of, apply the same logic, guys. So it will be same B plus C plus D, and totally 3 persons are there. So 33 into 3 will be your sum. So how much we will be getting? It is 99. Is it clear? Okay. Right. So try to understand, guys, here. 3 years ago, the age of B, C and D is 33 years. Okay. Next, further, if I see, if the sum of the present ages of A and D is given. So according to the question, one more condition they have given, sum of these 2 persons, A and D. It is how much they have given? 83. Along with this, what we need to find? Then find the age of D 5 years ago. We need to find the question that D's age 5 years ago. Okay, try to understand, guys. Since the question they are asking, D's age 5 years ago, in the sense, do we require the present age of D? Yes. If I want to get the present age of D in the sense, according to the question, they have given 5 years hence and 3 years ago, whatever they have given, please convert that into present ages. Okay. Now see, guys, simple logic will be telling you. Okay. Now listen. Whatever the sum of these 3 persons is given 60 years, it is 5 years hence. Okay. So if you want to do this way, if I want to get the present age of these people, okay, if I want to get the present age of A, B and C, okay, if I want to get this A plus B plus C, already we know it is 60, but this 60 is a 5 years hence age. If I want to get the present age, what can be done? See, if only one person is there, that person's age is 20 years in the sense, 5 years hence is 20 years age. In the sense, to get the present age, what we will do? Minus 5, right? Similarly, if here totally 3 persons are there, 5 plus 5 plus 5 in the sense, total it is how much? It is 15. That 15 we can deduct. Okay, you can do this way, or else one more concept is also there, guys. Directly from this 20 you can take minus 5. Okay, that is also I'll show you. Whichever you feel easy, that you can follow, guys. Okay, So in case of this, whatever the percentage we are getting, A, B, C is how much we are getting, it is 45. Is it clear? Similar. See, I told you now, you can apply this concept. Otherwise, you can do directly here. This person's sum age is given is how much? 20 years. Okay, to this 20, if I take out this 5 years hence in the sense to get the present age, if I minus 5 if I do, I will be getting 15 here. But is it only one person? No. Since it is 3 persons are there, so that directly if I multiply 15 into 3, how much I will be getting? It is totally how much it is? 45. Both are same. If you want, you can go through this concept or this concept. One and the same, guys. Okay. Similarly, if I apply this concept for B plus C plus D, or B plus C plus D, try to understand here. In case of this, if you are applying this concept, just directly we can take 99 as well as minus totally how many it is there, that we can subtract here. But in case of this, now if I apply this concept, try to understand B plus C plus D, which is equals to totally how much, what the age they have given. 3 years ago, the average age of B, C and D is 33 they have given. 3 years ago they have given 33 in the sense, to get the present age, what we can do? Plus 3, am I right? Yes. If I do plus 3 in the sense, how much I will be getting? It is 36. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So 36 we are getting. In case of this, again we have to multiply 3 to get the sum of B, C, D at present. So 36, 3 is the how much we will be getting? 108. Try to understand here. Once again, I'll just repeat here. Whatever this BCD value sum they have given, this is the 3 years ago they have said it is 33. To get the present, what we can do? It is plus 3 in the sense 36. But is it only one person? No. Only totally 3 persons are there. So totally 3 persons sum, if I want to calculate, what we can do? 36 into 3, which is 108. Is it clear? So finally, the sum of A, B and C and B, C and D at present we got. Okay. So if I observe here, we required D value. If I want to get the D value, now if I observe here, in case of these two equations we are getting, okay, just try to understand here. A plus B plus C, percentage we are getting, it is how much? 45. Along with this, B plus C plus D, at percentage we are getting 108, which is 108. Along with this, according to the question what they have given, A plus D's age is how much they have given? Okay. A plus D's age is how much they have given? It is 83. Right? Yes. Now just try to understand, guys. Since we want to find the value of D, if I observe here, I can add up these two equations. Okay. If I add these two equations, what I can get? A plus D and B plus B is 2B. C plus C is 2C. In the sense, can I take 2 overall common? So it is 2 of B plus C, which is equals to 108 plus 45, which is equal to how much? It is 153. Is it clear? Yes. As we know, A plus D's sum age is given as 83. Just substitute here. It is 2 times of B plus C, which is equals to 153. So 2 times of B plus C in the sense, shift this 83 to that side. It is 153 minus 83. It is how much? It is 70. So finally we get the value of B plus C is how much? It is 35. 70 by 2 is how much? It is 35. So we have the value of B plus C at is equals to 35. But do we require the values of B and C? No. We require the value of D. So what we can do? If I observe this equation, in case of this, sum of the B and C is there, along with this D equation is there, right? So I can directly substitute here. Just try to understand. Whatever this B plus C is there, if I substitute here 35 plus D is equals to 108. Finally, we'll get the D value, which is 108 minus 35, which is how much? 73 we will get. Am I right? Yes. But this D value, whatever the 73 we are getting, it is of present. Am I right? But according to the question, what we want? We want the, according to the question, 5 years ago age. 5 years ago age in the sense, how much we got at present? At present we got 73. 73 minus 5 will be how much? Isn't it the 68 years? So the right answer for this equation, this question is what? Option C, which is 68 years. Is it clear? So those who are getting the answer 68 years, it's right answer. And those who are not getting, just check what the mistakes you are doing. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. In case of this, I have given one more question as a homework, which is the question number 7. Okay. So in case of this question, guys, this concept already have discussed in the previous class. I have discussed the traditional method as well as the whatever the alternate trick method is there. Okay, please go through that to understand the traditional concept. And in case, now see, I can take just type directly here. What the question they are saying, 1 year ago, the ratio of Meera and Suma, how much they have given? 6:7. Similarly, 4 years hence, the ratio would be 7:8. In the sense, after 4 years, the ratio has been changed to what? 7 and 8. Okay, I hope you just go through this video, guys. So what we have learned in the previous class, now 6 is there and 6 is becoming 7. In the sense, totally how much part of increment is done? Increment is happening here. Isn't it the +1? Okay, similarly, Suma's age is 7 1 year ago. In the sense, after 4 years, how much it is becoming? It is 8. In the sense, isn't it again one part of increment is done? Yes, this one part is constant. So can I take this one part? Why this one part difference we are getting? Because of the span of how many years here? In a total, it is a span of 5 years. Okay, you can say, madam, it is 4 minus 1, 3, right? No, it is not 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, if you have gone through my previous video, then this concept will be clear why it is 5. Okay, so because it is -1, in the sense, we'll take it as a present as 1 plus 4, which will be 5. Okay, this one part difference we are getting because of what? How much years span? It is of for 5 years. Is it clear? Next, how old is Suma? How old is Suma we want to find. Now, whatever the Suma's ratio, according to us, it is there 7. This 7, if I take, this is for how much we will be getting. But keep it in mind, whatever the 7 is there, it is of 1 year ago age. We want at present age of Suma. Okay, fine. We'll do first here. What? See, one part is equals to 5 in the sense, 7 into 5 will be how much? Isn't it the 35 years? But answer is not the 35 years, because whatever the 35 years we are getting, this is a what age here? This age is 1 year ago. So to get the present age, what we can do? +1 if I do, how much I will be getting? 36 years, which is option B. I hope it is clear for everyone. So these are the questions I have given as a homework. Okay. So let's begin with the new topic, new concept. Okay, so let's start the session with a new concept from question number 8. Okay, and this question, guys, this question is recently they have asked in SBI PO 2023, and this is the one of the similar type of questions they have asked. So today we'll solve this question. Just try to analyze here. So once we know that whatever the sentences are given, then it will be very easy, guys. So let's begin with this question. So what is the condition they have given? The average present age of A, B and C is 24 years. Now previously whatever the question we have solved, it is of 5 years ago or 3 years ago or 5 years hence. But now whatever the ages is given, whatever the average they have given, that average is present age average itself. Okay, which means present age that they have given in terms of average. Totally about how many persons are there? A, B, C. Okay, this person's sum, how much they have given? 24. As we know, already we have discussed in the previous question. So if sum is 24 in the sense, average, what are the sum if I want to get? This 24 is the average. If 24 is the average in the sense, if I multiply with the number of persons, totally number of persons in the sense, how many persons are there? 3 persons are there. If I multiply, then finally I will be getting A plus B plus C is equals to how much? It is 24, 3s are 72. And try to understand, whatever the 72 years we are getting, this is the sum of all these 3 persons at present. Clear? Next, what the condition is given? The present age of A is X years more than that of B. Okay, whatever the present age of, try to understand, whatever the age of A is given, it is at present only. Okay, at present, age of A is X more than B's age. Is it clear? Next, and the age of B 4 years ago is 5 years. Why years? Try to understand, whatever the B's age is there. Okay, this age 4 years ago, it is how much they are saying? It is Y. We don't know what it is, but according to the condition what they have given. B's age 4 years ago is Y. Okay. Next, if I see further here, find the age of B 11 years hence, which means what the question they are asking, B's age 11 years, we need 11 years hence we need to find out, which means we require the value of B at present. Is it clear? Yes. If I see further here, present age of C is given as how much? The present age of C is given as 2y minus x. Okay. So with the help of these conditions, we need to get the value of B. So if I want to get the value of B, just try to simplify the equation in terms of B itself. Okay. Now if I observe here, A value is given in terms of x plus B, right? So can I take B value as y plus 4? Just shift this minus 4 that side, it is y plus 4. Okay, if I take this here, A is equals to x plus B is how much? It is y plus 4. Okay, keep it as it is. A value we have as well as B value we have as well as the C value we have in terms of variable y and x. Now as it is, you substitute here. What is the A we were having? X plus y plus 4 plus B, how much we were having? Y plus 4. C, how much we are having? 2y minus x, which is equals to 72 in the sense minus x plus x will cancel. So y plus 2y will be how much? It is 4y, which is equals to plus 4 will be plus 8. So 72 plus 8, if I shift it is minus 8. 72 minus 8 will be how much? Isn't it the 64? Yes. If it is 64 in the sense, if I cancel this with the 4 table, how much it will be? It is 16, which means finally we got the value of y, which is 16 years. Okay. Now directly see, as we require the B's percentage, can I substitute the y value directly here? Yes. Y, how much we are getting? It is 16. So 16 plus 4 will be how much? It is 20. So 20 is nothing but it's the present age of B. Is it clear? Yes. If B's age is 20 at present in the sense, according to the question, 11 years after they are asking, right? So it is how much? It is 20 plus 11, which means 31 years is the right answer. Is it clear, guys? So the right answer for this question is what? 31 years. So this is what the concept. I hope it is clear for each and every one. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. So in case of this question, what they are saying? A person is 16 years older than his son. Person is 16 years older than his son. Just try to understand once again. Whatever the son's age is there, to that son's age, 16 years elder is the person's age. Clear? Next. After 2 years, the person's age will be double the age of his son. Try to understand. After 2 years in the sense, along with the person's age, son's age will also be increased by 2, right? Yes, if it is that case, if the present age of person is 16 plus s in the sense, after 2 years, according to the condition, what they have said, after 2 years, this person's age will be double the age of son. Double the age of son in the sense, at present, the person's age, the son's age is s in the sense, after 2 years, it is how much? Isn't it equals to plus 2? Yes. So, if I observe here, what is the condition they have given? Find the age of his son 8 years hence, which means s plus 8 we need to find out. Yes, I hope it is clear for everyone. So, in case of this, we want to find the value at present of s. Okay. So, if I observe here, or everything in terms of s, no need of replacing anything, just simplify here. 16 plus 2 will be 18. Okay, next. It is 2 into s will be 2s, plus 2 2s are 4. 2s plus s, if I shift it is how much? S. 2s minus s will be how much? S. And 4 if I shift here, it is minus 4. 18 minus 4 will be gives us how much? It is 14 years. Which means at present the age of s son will be how much? It is 14 in the sense 14 and plus 8 will be how much? Isn't it the 22 years? So the right answer for this question is what? So 22 years. Is it clear? I hope it is clear for each and every one. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 10. Okay. Now this question is also, see what I told you now, whatever the questions I'm teaching here, these all are asking in the exams, which means similar pattern of questions we are discussing today. Okay. So Coming to the next question. Okay, what it is? Ratio of the age of Karan after 4 years. Try to understand. Starting itself, they have given the ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of the Karan. Okay, but it is not for only the Karan. Karan's age after 4 years. Karan's age after 4 years to the age of Basu after 6 years. Okay, Basu's age after 6 years. That ratio is given how much? It is 4/3. Okay, just equate them. Next. And the age of Karan after X years. According to the condition, age of Karan after X years, what they are saying? It is equals to the age of Riya after X/2 years. Is it clear? Karan's age after X years is equals to Riya's age after X/2. Since they are saying after, in the sense, I can take it as how much? Plus X and plus X/2. Is it clear? Next. If Basu is 17 years younger than Riya, try to understand. I don't know what is the age of Riya, but Basu is 17 years younger than Riya. In the sense, can I take R minus 17? Just try to analyze once again. Basu's age is 17 years younger than Riya. So it is B is equals to R minus 17. I hope it is clear for everyone. Next. One more condition they have given. The age of Karan 5 years ago is 19 years. Try to understand. Based on this condition, whatever the Karan's age is given, which is 19 years. This 19 years is the 5 years ago age. So, okay, this age, whatever they have given, this is the 5 years ago age. So, if I want to get the present age, yes, what we can do? 5 years ago age is 19 in the sense. Obviously, to get the present age, we will add it, right? So, 19 plus 5 will be how much? It is 24. So, which means whatever the K value, that current value we are getting 24 is at present. So, finally, we get the value of present age of K, which is 24 years, right? Next, find the value of X. So, the question mark is we have to find the value of X. Is it clear? Now, try to understand, guys. So, if I want to find the value of X in the sense, K and R value should be replaced. Am I right? K is already given, which is 24 plus X. But we require the value of R. Am I right? So, from where we will get? From this. See, this is the one more condition they have given. Along with this condition, we have to, okay, we'll solve that so that we'll get the value of R. In the sense, if I want to get the value of R, the value of B should be required. So, from where we'll get? From this equation we'll get it. Okay. Since K value is 24, 24 plus 4 will be how much? It is 28 upon B plus 6 is equals to 4 upon 3. If I cancel further here, 4 how many times it is? 4 sevens. Am I right? Yes. So, further if I simplify, B plus 6 is equals to 3 into 7 is how much? 21. So, which means B is equals to how much? 21 minus 6. 21 minus 6 will be how much? Isn't it the 15? Yes. So, we got the value of B as how much? 15 years. So, once we get the B value as 15, minus 17, if I shift it is plus 17 is equals to R in the sense, what is the Riya's percentage we are getting? So, finally, we got the Riya's percentage is, it is how much? It is 32 years. Okay, just substitute here. Now, at present age of Riya, we are getting 32 plus X by 2. Just simplify this equation. So, finally, left over is what? X variable that we will be getting. Clear? So, 32 minus 24 will be 8. Okay. So, X plus X by 2, if I shift it is X by 2. If I take LCM, it is 2 and it is 8 as it is. 2 into X is 2X minus X will be how much? 2X minus X will be X in the sense. So, finally, if I cross multiply here, what is the value of X we are getting? So, finally, we got the value of X is how much? It is 16. Is it clear? So, the right answer for this question is what? 16. So, which is the right option A. I hope it is clear for each and every one. Okay. Yes, guys. So, this is the concepts of ages what we have learned. Okay. And what are the part 2 we have done. So, by this, I am just concluding the topic of ages. So, in next class, we'll take few more concepts and or else we'll take the few more topics. Is it clear? So, we'll see you in the next class with the new concepts as well as with the new topic. Okay. Thank you, everyone.